This short tutorial will show you how to use Edmodo to deliver a personal interest survey. You have already created an Edmodo account and sign in. You can see my Edmodo account here. I have several groups. One is my 5th grade class. On the screen you have different ways of delivering information to your students. We are going to use a quiz today. If we use the poll feature, that would make our personal interest survey public, and for today I'm going to make it private using quiz. Today we're going to create a quiz. Now I have already created a document that is a student interest survey. You can see I'm going to collect data on the things that students like to do best, some goals, what they'd like to learn more about, what activities they like to participate in outside of school, what they like to read, who is their hero and why, where they might like to travel to, and a really telling element, who their friends are. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'm only going to pick 3. Go to your document, you've created the survey, copy your first question. On Edmodo, you've got choices. When you create a quiz, you can pick all of these. We are going to use short answers so the students can type their answer. Paste the first question. Click the plus sign to add a new question. Go to your original document, copy the second, paste it. Copy the third, paste it. We're going to leave the points at 1. Students like to see they've gotten points for activities, so they'll get full points as long as they answer all the short answer questions. We're going to name this Personal Interest Survey. We're going to leave the time limit at 60 minutes. That should be plenty of time. If I had students who couldn't use technology for some reason, I could print the quiz at this point. There's other places you can print it. And right now I'm going to assign it to my group of students. So I click Assign Quiz. I will put a due date. We'll have them finish it by Friday. And I'll send it out to my group of students. This is my group name. This is what it'll look like for the students. Not sure why I didn't keep the name changed, but this is what it'll look like for the students. As you can see, none have turned it in. As they finish, this number will change. As a teacher, you can click on Turned In and you can look at your students' names. In this column over here, it'll tell you how many questions they answered. Over here, the quiz does ask the students to give a pictograph response, whether they liked or didn't like questions or quizzes, and those are interesting to get from the students. It'll give you an average right here when the quiz is finished. At this point, my quiz is ready to go. By Friday, I'll have all the data from my students, and I can start developing some lessons based on their interests. Thank you for watching.